uh, if you're using mobile phone, so this is the link here, the last one here, which is www.unv.org. So click on it. It will open. Now, the reason why you're asking those questions is I used the laptop to show how to do that with a video, and this is mobile. So if you're using mobile, you don't expect to actually have the same output. So what you do on this very section, you don't need to touch anywhere, you don't need to go anywhere. The three dots by your right, the left here is UNV with one color things. Don't touch that. Look at your right here up under the URL. When I mean URL, I'm talking about Uniform Resource Locator, which is the www.unv.org. So under it, you see three dots by your top right. So click on it. Now all this drop down will show. Now you don't have any business with any of the things here. Go to the second to the last. That's when you see the UVP login. That's what you click. UVP login. So you click on it. Then it will give you access to where you actually sign in if you already have account, then where you're going to sign up if you don't have account. Okay, so now we are here. All these ones here is still not your business. Your business is still up here, that you see the login or sign up. The login or sign up, you don't have any business with all these ones here. Just the login or sign up is where you click. So you click it up top right, then here you are. Now if you have created account before, you input your email, input your password, sign in. If you don't have account, click sign up. Okay, so when you click sign up, it will give you access to where you input your email. Once you input your email, you click on send verification. They will send you a verification into your email. You go there and copy, it's a numeric number, and come and paste. Then you now submit. That will also give you access to where you come down and put in your password, repeat password, talk about your gender. You select if you're male or female, then you give the name you want to give. You also give your surname, then you put your date of birth, that's the day, the month, the year. Then please also don't forget to click on terms and condition. By the side there's a section where you click on the box I have read and also accept the terms, private policies and all that. Then once you do that, then you will see that you can actually have access to the very section where you put this. Forget their message, their live chat is covering it, but the moment you come in, you should be able to do all that because it will be open. And in case maybe you're trying to do that as well, but you're having challenges to do that, you can actually just go to your phone setting. Here on your phone setting, you can actually put rotation, so that you can actually rotate the stuff. So where is it again? Is it location smart view, right? I think that's it. So smart view, so I can turn it right now. So smart view is telling me to turn off my hotspot because I'm using hotspot. So I say yes, I've turned it up. So I will have to turn the device. Yeah, so smart view. One other thing, when you select the device below to mirror your phone screen. Was it the one? Are you sure that's the one I didn't want to look? Portrait. Sorry, I was clicking the wrong one. So let me return this back. So I'll go to portrait. I think this is the section auto rotate. Sorry, I went and so starting something different. So now is auto rotate. So now I have full access to it. So by the time you fill all this information, all that email, that now you can actually also see access to click on create. Okay, so that's what you do. All right, so it's simple like that. So once you've come in, then that's when you can actually go to your profile. Okay, so let's say you're done. So sign in. Sign in. All right, so when you sign in, once you're in, you don't need to worry about any aspect. Don't go anywhere. Just click on this profile, the profile where you see a picture of someone there. That's where you go. You click on it, then you see a drop down, then go straight to profile. Now see the profile, my learning, my contact, my banking, my payment, my documentary, document library, change email, change password. The second to the last one, which is edit profile, that is where you click. Okay, then you now start imputing all your information that you need to impute. Okay, so that's just it. And once you're done, you submit.